Hello and welcome to today. How you doing? So today I thought I'd do something a little different. Very different. Well, not really. I've done something like this on my channel before. Basically, I have this tarot deck, and now I will preface this with I don't fully know what I feel about when it comes to tarot in that world. All I know is I spent a day with my deck once, and ever since then I have redemption on my channel, on my stream, on my Twitch, where you can redeem it. And every time I've drawn for people, it has been really accurate. And every time I've drawn for myself, it's been like scarily accurate. So yeah, I thought today something really fun is I'm going home soon, and I kind of want to see what the cards say is gonna happen while I'm home, or what home is gonna be like. That way I can look back on it and see like yes, no, maybe. And I thought it'd be really fun. I like to do these for my birthday, we'll probably do one on New Year's, Christmas. Like, I like to do them on special occasions, but I thought this would be a really fun little thing. So how I do it is I do this until they fall. So how is going home for Christmas gonna go? How's going home for Christmas gonna go? Okay, so far one fell. It's the Five of Swords reversed. So Five of Swords reversed means like tension and arguments and fighting and a lose-lose situation. Great, love that. I'm gonna get a little more specific. Okay, how is going home going to impact my relationship with Omitted? That's a good one. How is going home gonna okay, so the Five of Swords upright this time, fascinating, and the Three of Pentacles reversed. Okay, for anybody who knows me and Omitted have to part ways during the holidays, which is really sad. We just couldn't fund it this year, so that's why I'm asking this question. I want to know, like, is it with my relationship or like my family? I kind of want to know what this is. So we got the Five of Swords upright and the Three of Pentacles reversed. What this one is saying is that I really gotta pick my battles, and that just like be careful, because not every battle is worth winning. And the Three of Pentacles reversed basically means that like harmony is not fully there. We really need to like organize, come together as a team, and like figure out what our boundaries are and what's gonna go, how things are gonna go, which kind of makes sense because we're partying for the holidays, and that's always hard. And I know we both kind of get stuck in work mode, and we are not always the best at communicating when we're gone. So I think this is telling me to like pick my battles and figure out a game plan, loud and clear. What about my family? How are things gonna go with my family? Okay, so the Two of Swords reversed and the Four of Swords upright. Two of Swords suggests that there's gonna be like some kind of tension or like decision I have to make, and it's gonna be shitty either way I choose, and that I'm going to have to really listen to like my instincts and really listen to my instincts, because like there's gonna be some kind of issue with someone, but who? Okay, and then the Four of Swords is telling me to like rest, relax, take some time to be by myself and like work on myself. So okay, none of these cards are great, and they're all swords. Okay, I have two more questions for this. One is, how is my show going to go? Okay, for anybody that knows, I'm in a show, and you'll never guess. It's another sword. It's the Three of Swords. It's a sword-filled deck today. Oh my goodness. Okay, I don't think I like swords. Well, it's not I don't like them. I just, what the heck. So this one basically is telling me that I'm gonna be really disappointed, and what people say is gonna hurt my feelings, and that it's just gonna be a huge moment of sadness, and that it's also could be a release from past trauma and sadness. I'm kind of doing this as a way to, I'm doing the show to see if I want to still be in this performing arts space. Yeah, I guess it is kind of like a huge, I I am going at it for cathartic reasons, so that does make a lot of sense. Okay, goes my readings, and I will let you know when it's passed and what happened, because wow, I am intrigued. I guess one more question I can ask is, what's gonna happen in the new year? What's gonna happen in the new year? Okay, so the Page of Cups and the Knight of Wands, both reversed. These are fascinating because they both deal with a creative project, and like this one's saying to not share your creative ideas until they're more conceptualized and have it all figured out. And then this one is saying that you're gonna have a lot of hope and inspiration, and that you're taking on a creative project, which is true. Like this next coming year, I have this huge creative project I'm working on, and I have newfound energy, like this card says. So I guess I'm gonna keep going, and it's hopefully gonna be good. But this is all about creative endeavors, and I know that's true because I actively am working on it. So fascinating. But yeah, that's it for today. Thanks for hanging out with me. And if you would like a tarot card pull, I do have a Ko-fi and a Patreon where there is a tarot thing where you can get tarot cards from me. So if you like that, there it is. Also, I think, yeah, if you come to stream, you can also do that as well. But that's it for today.